So, as I had shared with people in my students' parents group as well as in the public domain, that starting today, every Wednesday I'm offering rather a free demo class or a catch-up class is what I call it. So as part of this, kids who from different class groups, right, and from level 1, level 2 or level 3 who are attending my classes, if there's some concept that they are not able to follow, if there's something that they want to revise or something that they want to re-clarify, this is a class for them where they can come ask those questions. Again, I'm not going to teach any topic in particular, but I'll make sure that if anybody has any doubt, any question, we'll use this class for explaining or resolving those queries or doubts that they have. And also in a way it becomes a demo class for the kids who are potentially planning to come and join this class. Because in this class my main approach is, see, there's no silver bullet that I have. What I emphasize on is learning the maths concepts in a simpler way, making sure that we have all the building blocks in place and that we practice the maths in a more practical way. I mean, people will come and give formulas and then we apply the formula, try solving the problem. That is not the way to do it, right? I use a simple technique called TRAN, which is primarily focusing on the right approach for solving a sum or for learning the math concepts. I call it TRAN. T stands for trust. I make sure that all my students, they exercise this as the first thing where they trust themselves that yes, if there is a sum, if there is a problem, if anybody else can solve, I can solve too. So that's the first thing that I kind of enforce, instill or inject in each and every student of mine. Because if somebody says that, okay, I don't trust, I don't think I can do it, that person will not be able to do it, regardless of how talented or capable somebody is. So first thing is trust. R stands for read, where I keep on emphasizing that the students have to keep on reading the question over and over again. If the same question you read 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, you will see that the complexity of the problem reduces. So that's why the second technique is R, meaning read. A second part of the whole formula is R, TR. And then comes A, which is analysis. So after the question is read a couple of times, I ask my students to analyze, meaning if you have to solve a problem, you know the formula, you know the concepts, you know the properties, and you have read the question enough, then are you able to relate that problem with the concept that you know? And that is the analysis phase. What kids do is, they pick up pen or pencil and they start solving the problem. I said, no, don't do that. You have to always think that yes, you can do it. Read the question enough, over and over again, till you are bored, you are tired of reading that question, and then you go to analyze the question, meaning analyze or do the analysis. As part of that exercise, you will relate the question with the concepts you know and come up with your blueprint that, okay, this is how I'm going to solve it. Once you have done that homework, T, R and A, then N is N. Nike. Nike says just do it. And that's what I tell my kids, that once you have done the first 3 steps, last step is N, which is just do it. Nike. And Nike is not the sponsor of my class. This is just an interesting element of how I convey the message to the kids. Now if you talk to any of my kids who are coming to my classes, they don't look at Nike as a brand. They look at Nike as a message saying just do it. So that's what I keep on emphasizing. So today was the first demo class where I was kind of knowing that not many kids would come, but I'm still creating a video out of this class, and not many students would have gotten used to this information or would have not prepared for joining the class. For the demo classes or for these catch-up classes, Students who are already attending my tuitions, they can join. Either they can join in person or they can join online through the Google Meet link that I had shared before. I'll say it again. So, and also for the new students or other parents, you guys keep hearing a lot about me from those posts that I put in the public domain, that there are good classes happening where kids can learn maths in the simpler way, easier way, and whatnot. So don't trust me on the face value. Uh, this is the opportunity where kids can come, join the classes. Even parents, if they want to kind of just join online and see what blabbering I do in the class, they can join, and at least that will help them to make an informed decision. And there is no push, no rush, no hurry from my side. If any parent or student want to take 5 classes, 7 classes, 10 classes, don't worry. You can join the classes on every Wednesday, 6 to 7 p.m. Central, and attend those classes and keep on attending the classes till you want to attend, till you get comfortable that yes, now I can join, or I think this class has enough merit for me to make my decision and say, hey, I want to join. So because I don't do these classes for making money. All the money that I get from the students who are coming to my classes, most of it goes for providing financial support to kids back in India, whom I'm kind of grooming for improving the chances for employment. And then I run the classes for teaching them or preparing them for engineering entrance, because that is what my forte is. So I'll continue doing that, and I hope you guys would be able to make best use of these classes, my existing students as well as potential new students, and this becomes a platform for parents also to be able to join and find out the details from these classes, and then they are able to make decisions based on how they want to leverage these classes and make an informed decision. So with that being said, I'll probably pause this video. These classes are on every Wednesday, 6 to 7 p.m. Central. You can join online through Google Meet, or you can join in person. Regardless of whether you are a new student or existing student, doesn't matter. You can just stop by and join in person to get a feel of it. I prefer in person, because that way the students are able to connect a little better with the student, with the teacher, and vice versa. But understanding the distance constraint that many of you have, so online is also equally good. So please send me a text message or WhatsApp on my number in the description below if you want to join few trial classes, or if you want to get more detail about how to get the link for joining the